Okay, so I have to make some small change in the label because we have already, created the pi percent values. Okay, so that value has to come now. So here, instead of this L, I'll write labels equal to, and my new label would be the percentages which I have just created. Okay, so I'll give pi percent. Okay, that will be my label now. Okay, let us run this whole thing again. So for up to here, enter, no problem. Enter here, plot legend off. Okay, the file, let us see this. Okay, now here you can see now, because I have a legend now, I know that which color is representing which city, and the values are getting displayed here. So these are my values. Okay, the percentages which I wanted to. Okay, the percentages which I want to display. Clear? I can close this, come back. What if I want to convert this into a 3D pie chart? Okay, now for 3D, three-dimension pie chart, okay, there's another function which I have to make use of. Instead of pi, let us create one. So what I'll do is, in the same content, I'll just make some changes here. Let us change the file name first. I'll give this as 3D city chart. I've removed this legend and all. I don't want to complicate this. Okay, so I've changed the name. Fine. And I don't want this also. So let me mark this as comment. Okay, I won't keep this. Okay, and I'll mark this as a comment as well. Let us comment this as well. So fine. So what I've done now, I'm writing a new code altogether. So we have X and L as it is. Okay, I am going to create a file by the name 3D city chart. So for convenience, let us run this 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now here I'll use another function called pi 3D. Pi 3D. Okay. Now to use this pi 3D, because as soon as, if you look at this one, as soon as I gave this name, I did not get anything in the list, the pop-up list. That means I need some additional packages to be uploaded. Okay. Now the name of the package which I need here is, let us say, library into bracket plot, or input plot plot. There's no match. I'll put in double quotes plot rix. Let us see whether it is there. If it is not there, then we need to install it. Okay, we need to install this. So I'll go here, packages, install. Let me search for this plot rix. Okay, let me install this one. Okay, so it's installing. Done. Now let me include this library. Okay. Now when I type this, you can see pi 3D. As soon as I do this, you can see this 3D is available now. So in the 3D function here, simple like the same previous one, the value of X, comma. Now give the labels. So I can either give labels equal to, and the name of the label, either use the percentage. If you want the percentage, you can do that. But I won't use that. I'll use L, the one which we have created on top, the name of the cities. Okay. Now I have to, because it is a 3D, I need to explode this by some value, So Let us write an option here. You can see this parameter here. So I'll give explode equal to, let us start with the smallest value 0.1. Okay, and give a title also. So I'll give main equal to, so main, what's happening? Main equal to the name of the chart, say pie chart of 3D pie chart. Let us give this 3D pie chart. That's a simple name I'm giving. Of cities or something. If you want, you can give the name. You can extend the name if you want. Okay, I've given a 3D pie chart. That's all. Okay, and I'll just execute this one. Okay, so this got created, and I'll click on run this dev.off. Okay, to save the file. Let us see whether we got this file, whether it is there or not. Is a question. Yeah. So here you can see now we have got a 3D pie chart. Okay, and we have got the labels with the names. Here it is. Again, if you want to add the legend, you can add the legend. You can add the percentage like we did before. The same syntax will be there. Okay, no changes at all. Okay, so I'll stop here. What you can do is from here onwards, you can just modify this file further. Okay, to include the labels as well as the percentages. So, you make the changes and check it out. Now in the legend also I have given top right. What if I want it in the bottom, bottom right, or, top left, all those words can be used here. Okay, like top right, we have top left also. Okay, you can make use of the bottom right, bottom left as well. Okay, it's up to you. Clear? So please try that, various variations of these functions. Okay, and if you don't want to save it in the file, the only step you have to do is, I need not create this chart file name. I have to just give a comment here. That's more than enough. And in that case, what is going to happen in this plot area here, your chart will appear here. Clear? So that's all for today.